Hi everyone. My name is Shanay Patel. I'm a student at Purdue University pursuing a bachelor's degree in building construction management technology. Since my childhood, I've always been interested in structures like big buildings and bridges and things like that. They've always been my passion, and I've always wanted to know more and learn more about them. And this is what I want to do with my life. I want to build buildings like this and structures. My goal in the future is to eventually own my own company and to make it one of the biggest and best firms in the country. I'm going to talk to you today about how I chose BCM as my major, a little bit about the experience I have attained in the field, and a few of my dreams and aspirations for the future. Let me start by telling you how and why I chose BCM. As I mentioned earlier, I've always been interested in structures and things like that. In the summer after my 11th grade, we took a family trip to Italy. And in Italy, I saw amazing structures like the Pantheon and the Roman aqueducts and the Colosseum. And that's when I realized that this is what I want to be doing for the rest of my life. I want to be building things like this. So my first thought was to move into civil engineering, more into the design of these structures. But I did an internship last summer with a civil engineering firm and then realized that that wasn't for me because I don't want to be sitting behind a desk. I want to be out there in the field doing things with a hands-on approach. I want to be doing things with a hands-on approach, and as I mentioned earlier, I would eventually like to own my own company. And BCM is a good option because the curriculum is more centered around management and not just calculations and technology and things like that. So I thought BCM would be a good option for me. Now that I've told you how and why I chose BCM, let me talk to you a little about the experience I have obtained in the field. After my 12th grade, in the summer between high school and college, I did an internship with a company called the Elecon Engineering Company. And they make gears and material handling equipment, which is basically like mining equipment. I hadn't been to college and I didn't know anything about engineering or anything like that. So what I was doing at that internship was pretty basic. But more than anything, I feel like I learned a lot from that. I learned about the structure of a company, about the manufacturing process, and I also explored a few other options in engineering like mechanical and electrical. And spoke to a lot of mechanical engineers and electrical engineers, and I was just exploring my options. The year after that, I did an internship with an architectural firm, which was also one of the options I was trying to explore. And this firm was called Ajit Shilpi Associates. And yeah, it was really fun. What I did over there was a lot of work with AutoCAD and 3D modeling with a software called Revit. So I modeled a lot of the houses that they were going to build, and we showed them to the clients and things like that, and things that they wanted to change or any suggestions they had, things like that. And the year after that, I did another internship with a structural engineer this time. This was called Mahindra Consultants. And at this time, I had learned stuff about structures in college, and I knew what was necessary to do calculations and stuff. Beyond their shortcomings and beyond their failure. It's a saying by Joseph Campbell, an American writer. I believe that passion is the key to success in any field, and passion and work together makes you unstoppable. So one thing I can say is that I'm really passionate about what I'm doing currently. I'm really enjoying BCM programs, and it's more hands-on, and it's a lot more fun. We actually built a house this semester. So after undergrad, what I want to do is work with one of the leading firms in building construction, in commercial and after that, do an MBA in business administration. So it would help me in my own business which I want to start. And yeah, after that, I want to start my own business and hopefully take it to some good heights. So now that you know my plans for the future, let me just finish with this. I've told you today about how I chose BCM, a little bit about the experience I've obtained in the field, and a few of my aspirations. And I hope everything goes as planned it. And I hope things work out for me, and I hope one day I will own one of the biggest construction firms in the country. Thank you.